Epstein with your morning flash update for this Tuesday, and here we are at the 9th of August, 2022, and the time right now about 8:15 a.m. Central Time. And it's a mixed day. Expect that. Tomorrow we get the all-important CPI numbers. Some traders think down 0.2, others down as much as 0.5%. Does it really matter? I mean, anything near 8.5%, given you had 9%, does that sound to you like the Fed's going to stop? I think the people don't understand that. So what you did is you're breaking down a little bit today in the stock indices, kicking up with the inflation markets. I like that the copper market's still saying the world is doing okay. They call it Dr. Copper. Pay attention. Oil prices shot up this morning from a low of 94.91. You're near the highs. What happened is the market has become aware that in central Ukraine, the pipelines there have been shut down by Russia. Happened on August 4th. Russia claims lack of payment. You know it's more than that. Russia, after Canada raced through, got the turbine over to Germany. How many days did that take? All right? Paperwork, they can't get it all done. The game here for Russia is to bring as much as it can Europe down to its knees, energy-wise speaking. Don't let them build reserves. Winter's coming. Play just like they did in World War II when Germany was coming against Russia. Use the weather. Let that do the job for you. That's their game plan. Speaking of weather, look at the grains all up. Deterioration in the cropland. Yep. If you look at yesterday's USDA report, you saw that, and that was a big number. Dollar down a little bit, and you got mixed currencies. Now, the pound is staying up, even though they keep talking recession there, because the next PM looks to be mistrust, and she is definitely very pro cutting taxes, doing everything to get stimulus back into the economy. That is what you're fighting, all right? Do I think she'll make it? Well, the polls say she will, so we'll see what goes on. So let's take a look, if you and I could. We had the NFI Small Business Index come out, unexpectedly rose 0.4 to 89.9 from 89.5. When you look at the second quarter preliminary non-farm productivity, it fell down to 4.6. They expected it to be down 5, so not as bad a decline as the market was fearful of. Then we get to retail. By the way, the labor costs rose, so I missed that. Up 10.8%, it expected 9.5. That's that wage price that you had to pay up to get employees, and that's what's going on. Retail sales. These are the weakest recent numbers we've had. Not sure what's going on here. We've been running near 11.5 to 13, and all of a sudden we're 10.5. Are we going to get single digit next time? Russia, as I said, suspended the oil exports via the southern leg of the, what do they call that? I don't even know how to spell it. Druzhba province. And the crop progress report showed the deterioration that I was talking about. So when I look at all this, there's opportunity. And now the question is, how do you play for that opportunity? And, one of the things I like to do is bring some of that to you. And let me see if I can do that right here. One more go at this. There we are. Each morning, I start off with 2 videos. You don't see these for free on YouTube or on our website. They're the subscriber videos. One's futures, recorded starting nearly at 5:30 in the morning. The other, the S&P, SPDR, ETF, stock, everything there covered at 9 o'clock in the morning. Why 9? A little later, half hour after the market opens in the stock market. I want all the economic reports to come out. Then I want to see the algorithm money move into the market. Then I start putting out what I think you should be doing. Technical analysis, touch of the fundamentals, entry, exit, objectives, stops, how to play the market. I cover 40 charts in the futures. I cover all the different sectors you're going to see. To match it, in the ETF, there'll be 40 charts here with individual stocks in addition to ETFs covering all of these different categories for you. So how do you find out more? What do you do with it? It's really simple. Go to our website, under Market Research. You can call my staff, or you can just take your cursor, do this, right up here. See where I'm standing? Point it up there. An icon will appear. It'll take you right into that section. I'm Ira Epstein. See you this afternoon with our market wrap-ups. You have a great trading day.